Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Hugging Face models and checkpoints to S3 step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have an AWS account with S3 access. Install the AWS command line interface on your machine. Configure your AWS credentials using the command AWS configure. Input your AWS access key ID, secret access key, region, and output format as prompted. Choose the Hugging Face model you want to backup. Navigate to the local directory where your model is stored. Locate the model directory, which typically contains files like config.json, pytorch_model.bin, and tokenizer file. Open a terminal window in this directory. Use the command AWS S3 mbs3 / your bucket name to create a new S3 bucket. Replace your bucket name with a unique name for your bucket. Copy your model files to the newly created S3 bucket using the command AWS S3 cp. S3 / your bucket name recursive. Ensure that you include the recursive flag to copy all files within the directory. Monitor the upload progress in the terminal. Once the upload is complete, verify the files are in S3 by using the command AWS S3 ls S3 / your bucket name. You can also navigate to the AWS S3 Management Console to visualize the uploaded files. If you want to backup model checkpoints, repeat the process for the respective checkpoint directories. Optionally, set up an S3 lifecycle policy to manage long-term storage and costs. Document your backup procedures in a separate file for future reference. Check the integrity of your backups by downloading and loading a model from S3. This ensures that your backup process is reliable and your models are safe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.